Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you what is the function of AI layout. Alright, so basically you need to have two spacing here. So let's say I have these two spacing. Alright, and then for the name, do not key in on your own, but choose to what we have here. So first I would like to make it as bathroom. And then the second one, okay, the second one I'm using as for kitchen. Let's say kitchen. Alright, so after you set everything, the name of your spacing, go to AI layout. Alright, when you come to the AI layout, click to the layout first. Alright, so basically you can imagine where is your cabinet for your kitchen area and where is your bathroom, bathtub and everything lah. Basically on what we have in the layout. So what we have here, so let's say I choose the scheme 1. Okay, see, everything will be set for you. The AI will set the kitchen cabinet and also the function that we have in the kitchen lah, basically. Same goes to bathroom. Okay, so after you click to the layout, you can click to this button. Okay, so you can choose to any kind of style that you want. So let's say you want to make it as for caramel color. So you click to apply all. Okay, you click to your apply all. So basically your furniture, your cabinet, everything will be in caramel color. Alright, and then you click to generate 3D solution. Automatically you will bring into 3D view lah. Alright, so this one will take a while. You need to let the AI arrange the footage for you. Alright. Alright, slowly you will see there's a cabinet arranging in your area lah. Okay. Alright, after it's done, you may see everything you have in the layout is there. So basically this is what AI layout can do for you lah. Right, you will automatically install the ceiling, the things that you arrange as for the name of the room already. So this one is our bathroom. Just now we said, okay, we have this one, and then to the next area, which is our kitchen. So automatically there's a fridge, there's cabinet, and also our kitchen hood. But for the countertop, you need to install on your own lah. Alright, it will bring you to the cabinet customization. Alright, so basically this is what we have for AI layout. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.